Good morning! Hope you are on your empty stomach and ready to melt fat. Today, as always, we'll start with a warm-up, then we'll do 3 sets of 4 exercises and 3 sets of 2 exercises. After each exercise, as always, we'll have 15 seconds of active rest. It will be more of a cardio and abs workout. We'll burn lots of belly fat today, but we'll also shape our butts a little. The first 4 exercises are switchfoots, reaching oblique crunches, leg drops, mountain climbers, and then 3 sets of jumping oblique twists and glute kickbacks. So, let's start the warm-up. Warm up really well because today we'll push it. We have some mountain climbers that will burn lots of belly fat. As you see, I start with my neck with left, right, up, down motions. You can even do circular motions. Then to your shoulders, circular motions. I also bent my knees a little. Going down in a lunge position while I stretch my upper body. Hold for a few seconds. Then, change to your other leg. Now, we are going to our legs, doing some slow squats combined with calf raises. Moving down to our ankles, doing circular motions. Now, let's start the timer and we'll start with 30 seconds of switchfoots. And active rest for 15 seconds, followed by reaching oblique crunches. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of leg drops. Breathe well for 15 seconds because we'll have 30 seconds of intense mountain climbers. Active rest for 15 seconds. That was not easy. 2 more sets to go. "30 seconds of switch foots. And active rest for 15 seconds, followed by reaching oblique crunches. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of leg drops. Breathe well for 15 seconds. Active rest for 15 seconds, and this completes the second set. 30 seconds of switch foots. And active rest for 15 seconds, followed by reaching oblique crunches. Active rest for 15 seconds, followed by 30 seconds of leg drops. Active rest for 15 seconds, and we're getting ready for the last round of mountain climbers. Rest for 15 and almost done with the third set, and we'll take 20 seconds of breathing. Let's start the timer and start with 30 seconds of jumping oblique twists, then glued back kicks, 3 sets. Active rest for 15 seconds. Now 30 seconds for your butt. Active rest for 15 seconds. Seconds of jumping oblique twists. Active rest for 15 seconds. Glued back kicks. This active rest completes the second set. Let's push a little bit with our last round of twists. Seconds of jumping oblique twists. Active rest for 15 seconds. Glute back kicks. Active rest for 15 seconds. And we're almost done for today. Let's do some stretching. Great job! We'll start each stretching with our shoulders. Hold on each position for at least 5 seconds. I really want you to breathe as deeply as you can during our stretching because you'll have so much more energy afterwards. Fill your lungs with air and then empty them. Now, we'll relax our spine, bend over your left leg, and hold for a few seconds. Now, let's sit down and do another stretching move for our back and hold for a few seconds. Going into the Cobra pose. Bent over your left leg, hold for a few seconds. And then, when you feel it's enough, move to your right leg. Great job today! Drink lots of water. See you tomorrow morning for another morning fat melter workout.